This is interphase. The cell grows to its mature size, makes a copy of its DNA, and prepares to divide into two cells. Two cylindrical structures called centrioles are also copied. This stage is prophase. Chromatin in the nucleus condenses to form chromosomes. The pairs of centrioles move to opposite sides of the nucleus. Spindle fibers form a bridge between the ends of the cell. The nuclear envelope breaks down.
This is metaphase. The chromosomes line up across the center of the cell. Each chromosome attaches to a spindle fiber at its centromere. This is anaphase. The centromeres split. The two chromatids separate. One chromatid is drawn by its spindle fiber to one end of the cell. The other chromatid moves to the opposite end. The cell stretches out as the opposite ends are pushed apart.
Telophase. This is when mitosis ends. The chromosome begins to stretch out and lose their road-like appearance. A nuclear envelope forms around each region of chromosomes. This is cytokinesis. The cell membrane pinches in around the middle of the cell. The cell splits in two. Each daughter cell ends up with an identical set of chromosomes, about half the organelles.
After cytokinesis the first time, it is meiosis 2, and it goes back to metaphase where the chromosomes once again line up across the cell, and the spindle fibers are attached at its centromere. And also, once again, anaphase happens. The centromere split, the two chromatids separate. One chromatid is drawn by its spindle fibers to one end of the cell. The other chromatid moves to the opposite end. The cell stretches out as the opposite ends are pushed apart once again. Once again, telophase happens. The chromosomes begin to stretch out and lose their road-like appearance. A new nuclear envelope forms around each region of the chromosomes. This is the last stage of meiosis 2. Cytokinesis happens. The cell membrane pinches in around the middle of the cell. The cell splits in two. Each daughter cell ends up with an identical set of chromosomes and about half of the organelles. So in this case, there is a total of 4 organelles.